Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to connect Facebook lead ads to Pipedrive using Integrately. If you're tired of exporting leads manually and uploading them into your CRM, this will save you so much time. With Integrately, my go-to automation tool, your Facebook leads can flow straight into Pipedrive automatically, ready for your sales team to follow up. First, log into your Integrately account to get started. First, let's connect Facebook lead ads with Pipedrive. Search and select Facebook lead ads as your first app, and then Pipedrive as your second. From the one-click automations in Integrately, choose Create Pipedrive Note for New Facebook Lead Ads Lead and click Activate. I've added the direct link in the description so you can try it instantly. Now connect your Facebook account. Sign in, grant permissions, and select the page you'd like to use for this automation. Next, connect your Pipedrive account by signing in to authorize the connection, then click Continue. In the Automation Builder, map the fields. For example, connect the content and lead ID fields using your Facebook lead data. Finally, switch on Test and Turn On to activate your automation. Once confirmed, your process is live. And that's it. Facebook lead ads to Pipedrive automated in just a few clicks with Integrately. Super simple, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description so you can set it up for yourself today.